Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, May 1st here in Tennessee, Zone 7. And I am hopefully, if I have enough time, going to finish planting the garden. So all that's left is the stuff that needs to get direct sown, and I don't know if you can see here, the peppers, which I don't know that I'm going to transplant the peppers today, but I am going to get those jugs opened up. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, so I'm going to take advantage of Mother Nature and let her water in the garden, but otherwise obviously I would water things in, so that's why you're not seeing me water anything in. It is not some neat hack that I have that you just like don't water the garden after you plant and then it's perfect and miraculous. It's just gonna rain, so works out well for me. I'm gonna leave you at kind of this wide angle here for the time being. I might take some close-up shots or some more detailed things on my phone, but I just really wanted to film this process, but I don't have a lot of time, and so we're going simple and sweet here. So it may not be the most cinematic or beautiful video that I ever shoot, but it will probably be one of the more meaningful ones because getting back into this garden has been really helpful and really healing for me after a very crazy 2021, especially the last 6 months of it, and then the very crazy beginning of this year. So I have missed being out here. I have missed the just being in the garden, and it's very meditative for me, and so I'm excited to be back into it. So I did want to document this process, so that's why you're up here at kind of a wide view. So I hope you enjoy nonetheless. I have my coffee, I have my basket of seeds. Let's get started. Here we go. Okay, so this automatically stopped, so I don't know what you saw last, but I definitely just got dirt in my coffee. It happens. Sign of a good day right here. Comment down below, are you a garden glover or bare hand gardener? Let me know. Thing that's gonna get direct sowed has been direct sowed. Magnificent, wonderful, works out. I shouldn't say everything. I will probably come out and plant some other things once things get kind of really taking off and growing, and I still have to do okra, but okra loves heat, and it's warm, but not like for lengthy periods of time like it will be in the summer here. So I'm gonna give that a little bit longer before I plant it, because I'm gonna plant it in between the garlic here while the garlic is finishing up. So we've got time on the okra that will last through fall. And then I am gonna plant some of these peppers. I didn't think that I was, gonna do that today, but I looked at the weather and we don't have any nights below 50 in the 10-day forecast, and some of them are just, they need to be transplanted. There can't be any nutrients left for them in these jugs. So some of the larger plants I'm gonna go ahead and transplant now, and I'll leave some of the smaller ones in, and we'll do that in a few days. But yeah, we're getting it done. Let's do this. You can't see her, hold on. We have been blessed with the garden cat. If you're new here, this is Dora. She was in the neighborhood when I moved into this house, and we have since basically adopted her. So she's my little garden cat, and she does a great job until there's a bird or a chipmunk in a bed and she really wants it. And you know, it's a double-edged sword. I want the chipmunk out of the bed, but I don't want the cat in the bed either. So anyways, all right. I planted, those were jalapenos and sweet banana peppers that got planted. Get out of there. Oh. She loves this front bed by the house. Anyways, jalapenos, sweet banana peppers are planted. I'm gonna leave the other peppers in the milk jugs for a little bit longer until they get some bigger leaves and a little bit stronger, and then we'll put a few more in this bed, and then we'll put some in that bed as well. But yeah, we've got beans and cucumbers on this trellis here, and then I planted some yarrow in the front, and then I did plant some roselle or hibiscus here. I'm very curious about growing it. I'm not sure. I know we're in the right zone to get to grow it. I'm not sure if it's too late to plant it to really get a harvest off of it. And then in the grow bags, some of the grow bags have potatoes popping up from last year, so I'm gonna leave them and see what happens. But the rest of them got zucchini and summer squash in them. So that's what's going on. This is my tomato bed. I don't think you've seen that yet, but it's got tomatoes and some basil, a few cucumbers at the end, some calendula and borage in it, and then the bed that you can't see here, closest to the house, has potatoes in it, and we'll get sweet potatoes eventually. So that's the garden. If you're familiar here, the bed by the house is, I just planted flowers in this year. I'm not going to try and grow anything in it. I want to see if I can get this really beautiful patch of all sorts of different flowers growing, and I think it will be really fun and just romantic and beautiful to see right up against the house. So fingers crossed that that works, because I think that will be great. And then yeah, I think that's everything. That's what we got. I hope you're having a great weekend or week or day whenever you're watching this. Who knows? It's probably, it might take me a little while to edit this and get this up, so it's probably long past Saturday, May 1st when you're watching this, but this is what happened on Saturday, May 1st at my house. Again, beautiful, blessed Beltane to all, and we'll see you next time.